Today I'm going to review a cheap $10 gaming headphone from Fantech. This model name is Fantech Mars HQ50 gaming series. It has a built-in noise cancellation microphone. Fantech Mars HQ50 gaming headset, which only will cost you $10. I am a gaming streamer myself. I stream on Twitch. If you want to check my stream, the link is given in the description below. So let's go and unbox this Fantech Mars HQ50 headphone. So let's open this thing. Okay. I should have used a knife or something, but I'm not going to. I forgot to bring a knife. See, there I am. So we are going inside. Here you can see the headphone. It's a very normal packaging. It's a $10 headphone. Let's keep that inside. Yeah, you can see this. Fantech HQ Mars HQ50. Let's put it in here. Soft headband with fairly soft ear cushion, not that soft enough, and the glossy plastic material that you can see looks very cheap. It has a built-in microphone, so it looks like this. Let's check the audio quality, shall we? I have already connected my headphone to my computer, and let's play an audio clip. Let's hear how that sounds. Okay, I have to tell you guys, this headphone sounds like as it should for a $10 cheap headphone. So if you are looking for a cheap casual headphone which cost only $10, you can get this one. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.